Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Akima. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Today is Sunday Shoutout. So here on the screen, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for letting me know that you want to shout out. You for letting me know that you have subscribed to my channel, and I really appreciate it a lot. Because I have a lot of stuff coming on the channel very soon, so look out for that and tune in. You know. So today I am doing a channel shout out. So yeah, so channel shout out. Today's shout out is gonna be Freeze and Cuz. And y'all can see this her. I seen her be commenting on my video, so I thought, you know what, she deserves a shout out. But she be commenting on my video for me, Kenny. So yeah, thank you so much, Freeze and Cuz. Thank you so much. She very genuinely. She's very supportive. I really like her channel a lot. So yeah, y'all go ahead, subscribe to her channel, comment, like her videos, like, do everything. I really love her channel so. She did a room makeover, she do her hairstyles, and she did her cutting hair routines, and she did a DIY. She do DIY. She did a scrunchie and the half jeans, bleached jeans, and I really love her content so much. So yeah, y'all go ahead and support her channel. She really be appreciated. So yeah, go show her some love. Go show her some lots of love. So yeah, so that's it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.